Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome back. So we were done with this page 67. Now it's the time for the next topic, that is physical and chemical changes, and it's on page 68. So what is a physical change, students? A change in which no two substance is formed is called a physical change. So what is a physical change? By physical change we mean that it is that kind of change in which no new substance will be formed. For example, cutting an apple, tearing of paper, breaking of glass. Just like we cut an apple, okay, here we cut an apple, no new substance is being formed, but just the apple that was a one piece that is being cut down into a number of slices. Same is the case with this paper, a big paper that is being cut into smaller pieces. Okay, so we can see that no new substance is being formed here. Okay, and in the physical change the properties of components are retained. So it means that the properties of that component that won't change after the physical change. It's temporary, just a physical appearance, so physically that thing is changing. Okay, but the properties, they are the same, and it is a temporary change and can be reversed by simple methods. If we employ some methods, we can get back the previous thing that we started with. Okay, so what is a physical change, students? A physical change is a change in which no two substance is being formed, which is in which the properties are same, in which there is just a temporary change, and where we can reverse that process by methods. Now comes the chemical change. It is that kind of a change in which a new substance is formed. For example, frying an egg, spoilage of food, and rusting of iron. Okay, and in chemical change the properties are different from the original substance. Okay, just like this egg, the egg that was in the shell, that was having some different properties, but now when we fry that egg like this star egg, so the properties are being changed, and it is a permanent change. We can't get back that egg from this now, from this egg. Okay, so it is a temporary change and it can't be reversed. Just like in rusting of iron, when the iron is being rusted, so that change is also a chemical change. Here we are given 4 figures. 2 are of physical changes and 2 are of chemical changes. Students, that's all for today. Now we will do a question. It's on page number 73. It is question number 5, part 2, the physical change and the chemical change. We have to write the difference. Okay, so the first point in the physical change is it is a change in which no new substance is formed. And in the chemical change we will write it is a change in which a new substance is formed. And the second point is the properties of components are retained. And in chemical change we will write the properties of new substances are different from the original ones. And the third will be it is a temporary change, and here it will be it is a permanent change. Physical change में हम लिख लेंगे then it can be reversed, and in the chemical change we will write it cannot be reversed. The fifth is examples are cutting an apple, tearing of paper, etc. And in the chemical change the examples are frying an egg, rusting of iron, etc. That's all for today, students.